Ladies, today I am showing you how to use dilators. Dilators are used for women who have painful intercourse or pelvic pain. The set I like are hard plastic dilators rather than soft plastic ones. And the reason I like using the hard plastic ones is because I use it for stretching. So dilators can be used just to stretch the opening of the vaginal canal, in which case the flexible ones will work just fine. However, if you're having pain past that opening of the vagina, that's where the hard plastic ones really are helpful. Step 1. Choose the size dilator that would be most comfortable for you to use to start. I'm going to use the step 2 one here. Lay in a position where you're reclined back with your knees bent and you can support your knees on some pillows. 2. Place some lubricant just on the tip of the dilator. Next, as you lay in bed, I want you to start with some deep belly breathing to get your pelvic floor muscles to relax. Start by trying to penetrate just the tip of the dilator right past the opening of the vagina. If you start to feel like you're hitting a wall or that the vagina is closing, also known as vaginismus, just pause there. Don't take the dilator out. Don't force it in though. Hold there as you start to perform some reverse Kegels, some active relaxation and opening of your pelvic floor muscles. See the link below for my video on reverse Kegels. After a minute or so of relaxing and performing reverse Kegels, you should be able to apply gentle pressure and start to make your way past the opening of the vagina. I do not want this to be any more than a 3 out of 10 pain, so just some discomfort. Once you find your 3 out of 10 discomfort, hold it there. Continue the process of your deep relaxation breathing along with your reverse Kegels. You should find in the next couple minutes, you'll be able to penetrate with the dilator even further. Ideally, you would repeat this every day until you can fully insert the dilator. Usually within about a week, placing the dilator no longer becomes painful. Maybe a little bit of discomfort, but really not hard, and it becomes quite easy to use it. That's when the hard dilators come into place. We're going to use the dilator not just to hold it static, but we're going to start to stretch with it. So once you have the dilator placed inside, you're going to start to angle and find the areas that are tight and tender for you. And once you're able to do that easily, we are going to move on to the next size dilator and repeat that whole process all over again until we can get to the size of your partner to make sex comfortable. Use your dilators 5 to 10 minutes every day for consistent stretching of your pelvic floor muscles. Get them in at least 4 to 5 days a week. Some women use dilators once a week, which is great for maintenance. However, if you have tight pelvic floor muscles, in a week's time, your tight pelvic floor muscles will just retract back to its normal position. Using them consistently is where you're going to see results. I hope you found this helpful. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to learn more about pelvic pain.